What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. For all those that are watching, thank you guys for watching. And before I start the video, please remember to like, share and subscribe. And yeah, let's get back into it. I've been absent for a couple of weeks. There's just been a lot that's been going on, but I think all that is sorted now and we are good to go. So without further ado, let's go to the first pair that we're looking for this week, which is the Great British Pound and the Australian Dollar. Okay, so you know how it goes. Let's start on the daily just to see the general trend. So this looks like we have caught a trend reversal. So the market was moving down, and the bears kind of lost momentum there, and it's now been giving us higher highs and higher lows. Okay, market's been giving us higher highs and higher lows, signaling that we have an uptrend. All right, you guys get the point. Higher highs and higher lows, signaling that we have an uptrend. All right, so we have an uptrend. So what we primarily look for are buy positions. Okay, so go to our 4-hour chart. We see where the market is at the moment, and we highlight the key support resistance zones or key levels. We see this part of the key support resistance zones got one touch there, one touch, two touch, 3, 4 touches where the market bounced off. Market broke through as usual, came back down to retest that now new support. And what we're expecting to see this week, so the market to come down at the zone, hit that support, then continue moving up, or there's a possibility that it could gap up, break that resistance zone, come back to hit the new support, and start potentially moving. Okay, yeah, so that's what you're looking for the Great British Pound and Australian Dollar. However, if it does break through this zone, we do have a key level somewhere here, right, where the market touched and moved up. So we do have support there, so the market could potentially, if it breaks through the support, come back down all the way to this relatively strong support, and again make its way back up. So that is what we're looking for the Great British Pound and the Australian Dollar. So the next pair is the Great British Pound and New Zealand Dollar. Similar thing with this one. We've been on an uptrend, higher highs, higher lows, right there. So what we're looking for now, so the market bounce off key support resistance levels. Okay, so we can expect a similar thing to this region or to that region. So the market will come back down, hit that zone, that support, and make its way back up. Okay, it happened in the past, it happened here, that's what it did, as well as there. This was a bit messy, but at the end of the day, the market went right back up to that resistance. So I'm expecting the same thing. The market should come back down, hit that support, and continue to move back up. And if it happens to break through, it could come to this support right here. Go to the 4 hours where you see it. This support to the previous resistance, but it will play as support now, and it could move that way upward. Okay, or if the market happens to gap up or do something weird like that, we could be waiting for a break of this resistance. and a retest for the new support, and the market could continue making its way back up. So that's what we're looking for the Great British Pound and New Zealand dollar. The next pair is the Great British Pound, Swiss franc. Let's go to the 1 hour. Clearly we can see here that we are in an uptrend, a very strong bullish run. Alright, so we definitely are looking for buy positions with this one. So we've highlighted our key support resistance levels. Now what we're waiting to see is for the market to either come down to the support, move up, or alternatively the market could break that resistance, come back down to retest, and then shoot up. Okay, so that's what we're looking for the Great British Pound and CHF. The next pair is USD Swiss franc, also in an uptrend with this one, clear as daylight, higher highs, higher lows. There we go, higher highs, high lows, roundabout there. Okay, it doesn't need to be perfect, but we can see that the market is moving in an upward direction. Okay, so we've highlighted our support resistance levels. So what we're waiting to see from this pair is for the market to move downwards to the support, probably have a similar pattern to what happened here in this zone, and make its way back up much like it did this time. Or the market could move upward, break that resistance, come back for the new support, and continue the bullish run. Okay, the next pair, CAD Swiss franc. So with this CAD Swiss, we're also in an uptrend, pretty clear to see, very strong uptrend, higher highs, higher lows, and we on the 4-hour chart were very close to the support zone. So what I'm expecting is for the market to move probably down a bit more in the support, then reject and start moving upwards, or the market similarly could break through that resistance, come back down, and make its way back up. Yeah, so that's what we're looking for the CAD and the Swiss franc. So the next pair is going to be the Euro CAD. Okay, so let's go to the daily. We're in a clear downtrend with the Euro CAD. Okay, in the 4-hour zone, we've marked out our key support resistance levels. So we see that we are now approaching a resistance. We are in a downtrend, we're looking for a sell bias. So we are approaching a resistance now. So what I'm expecting is for the market to move up, hit that resistance, and continue its way back down. Or alternatively, the market could gap down, break that support, come back to retest the now new resistance, and continue making its way back down. Okay, so you know the market's not perfect, so the pattern that you could look for could be similar to something like this, where the market comes up, stop hunts, takes out all the sellers, then makes its way back down. Or as I said, it could gap down, break through the support zone, come retest the new resistance, and continue its way back down. Okay, so the Australian dollar CAD, that's our final pair that we're looking at today. So we can easily see for this one as well that we are in a clear downtrend, right? The market is doing lower highs and lower lows. lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. I think we know that by now. So we look for the key support resistance zone as well here, and we can see a clear resistance right there and a clear support right here. So what we're anticipating this week, or what we would like to see, for the market to move a bit more further up, probably give us a similar pattern to this, and reject of that resistance and continue making its way back down. However, the market could also move down, break that support, come back up, retest for the new resistance, and continue making its bearish run. Yeah, so that's what we're looking for. Those are the pairs that we're looking for this week. Hopefully they pan out. But yeah, you know what you're looking for. Stick to your trading plan, trade your plan all the time, and also be patient. Be patient, because that's a key value to have on these charts. So I'm hoping this was helpful. If you liked the video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.